How to save Snapchat picture to gallery. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can save Snapchat picture to gallery. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are here, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. Here, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you land on your settings page, now scroll down and search for an option that is Memories. You will find Memories under Privacy Control. Tap on it. Under Memories, tap on Save Button option. Here, you will have multiple options to choose from. So, in order to save your picture to your gallery, you have to select either Memories or Camera Roll or Camera Roll only. So for now, select the second option, that is Memories and Camera Roll. Now you can hit back and now you can take a snap. Once you tap on this save button at the bottom left corner, this snap will be automatically saved to your gallery as well as your memories on Snapchat. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.